Ishowspeed, here is a brief story. We're welcoming him because he's a big internet celebrity that came through from Zimbabwe to Zambia. Here is the Minister of Tourism welcoming him through with the bikers there. And then we challenged him to do a bungee jump at the Victoria Falls. And he took up the challenge. So after arriving with his entourage, we took him to the measuring point for BP and the other measurements and gave him a Zambian jersey so that he's dressed in our national colors. After taking up the challenge, he walked with the minister going back to the bridge and take up the bungee jump. The minister showed him how to jump at the bridge, and then he also did the bungee jump, and followed by one of his personnel who also did the bungee jump. And then here at the falls we are done, and we started taking him back to his hotel in Livingstone, where he was going to spend the night and head over to Lusaka, and we hand over to Lusaka. Our mabikers wampeleka.